Hi, so for today's class, for you, Shane, Manuel, I think what we're doing is just we're trying to play through the scale of C, but we're just leaving out the E to form a melody in a tune, just to help with our understanding, help with our finger memory. So what we did, and for you to learn, and as well, what we did was to play twice, but for the second time, remember we were just playing the running from the E, and then the middle, the E, the middle note, playing the middle note between the last two keys as an arpeggio. Okay, in the second time. So to as a melody, what we did was to create a melody around the chord from C, D, F, G, and then the A flat diminish, and then six, and then the seven, that's the B, half diminished, and then back to C. So this is how it sounds like as a melody. And the second time has the melody. Okay, from the top again, a bit slower this time. I'll start taking on this one just to get the finger right. Okay, the positioning. Then the second part will be the arpeggios. Okay, and you can even decide to continue at the octave. And there's the E, go to the F, and the 4 and 5. Okay. Alright, come back down. Okay, so just learn it and then have a happy Christmas.